Hello friends, myself Dr. Tapush Kumar Pal, Assistant Professor, Nupani Institute of Healthcare Studies, and today we are going to learn how to stretch the median nerve as a home exercise program. I think you people already saw our last video regarding the median nerve neurodynamics, how to do the stretching for the median nerves as a sliding phenomena. So today these exercises, it is about for the patient so that they can do the exercises at home. So hopefully you will learn these techniques and you can make the patient to do the same exercises at home. So we request everyone, those who not yet subscribe our channel, just do the subscription for this channel, as this channel it is made for the physios and by the physios. Now let us start how we can do the median nerve stretching or median nerve sliding exercises which can be given at home for the patients. So for that, what is the starting position? You instruct the patient to sit in a erect sitting position, and in this position from 0 degrees of neutral position, make the patient to go for 110 degrees of flexion. That is the first step. After going 110 degrees of flexion, you need to remember there are supposed to be a fist. The wrist and the fingers is in a fist position. From there, as a third part, you just make the patient to go with abduction. The patient need to maintain 110 degrees of abduction. Fifth step, open up the fist. Sixth, go for the wrist extension. From the wrist extended position, go for the thumb abduction. Again, go for the thumb extension. In this position, just go with the lateral flexion of the neck and hold it for the 30 seconds. Remember the time you will do this stretch, the minimum hold, it's supposed to be 30 seconds with a 5 to 7 times of repetition. So once more we will see the whole exercise as a fast way. In an erect sitting position, from 0 degrees of flexion, go with a 110 degrees of flexion in a fist position. From here, just go with abduction of 110 degree, open up the fist, go for wrist extension, go for thumb abduction with extension, and go with neck lateral flexion and hold for the 30 seconds. Repeat it for the 5 to 7 times. Why this exercise is important? Most of the times we used to do the stretch for the median nerve at our clinic or the clinical setups or the hospitals, but we need to teach the patients as a home exercise program so that the effectiveness it will be far better. They can use these exercises at home for 2 to 3 times. So this is all about the median nerve. I think if people learned how to stretch the median nerve from our last video, and from this video you people learned how the home exercise program can be given for the patients. Thank you.